If a guy offers to help a lady without collecting her number or thinking about having sex with her, she will go back home and look herself properly on the mirror to know where the problem is coming from. Training a girl who you never marry in school is like playing a sporty bet. You have high chance of losing than winning. In fact, from the moment she enters inside that school, she will start cheating on you with all those fine, tall, dark-skinned guys with six-pack while you are out there hustling day and night because of her. Immediately she graduates, you will not be her spec again because you have pot belly and you are not educated. Continue training a woman in school as well. Sell your father's land and sponsor her academics. No problem. You don't want to learn anything from me. On this app, the only son of my parents, I will be here talking, you will be there laughing. You will regret your life. I'm telling you. You will cry. You want a tall, dark, rich, and 25 years old guy that has car and mansion. Meanwhile, your parents are still feeding your 35 years old elder brother at home.